Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down why I truly believe the overall stock market is going to crash. I'm going to give you guys levels, technical analysis behind why I believe certain stocks are going to drop to these key levels. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, so right here we have ticker symbol SPY, the ETF. So these past actual couple weeks, I really been keeping an eye on SPY, and it's just because I just see it moving in such a direction where I do believe the overall market is going to see new lows since this time right here. So obviously we have our key levels, and you know what? I'm gonna actually start from scratch and kind of show you guys where I get these levels from. And it's just basic price action, you guys. Basic price action. And, I'm going to explain to you guys what I kind of figure, and see with the news and all that stuff. News takes a really, really big, toll on the market, as you guys know this, especially with, the whole, coronavirus and the whole new variant that's going on and all that. A lot of things are taking consideration and volume. Volume is king of the market, you guys. And considering that volume in this market, we see it kind of going into a downtrend. A lot of the big buyers, like the billionaires and millionaires, are really scared of what's going on in the whole stock market. I mean, especially with how the president is reacting to this new virus. People really don't honestly even trust of what he's going to do, and how he's going to fix it. So people get scared. So, and plus we're just so overly extended in the stock market that every stock in the stock market is overextended, and we're due for a nice good correction. I do believe this is going to be a slight crash. And again, I'm going to show you guys certain levels that I see. So right here, I'm going to show you guys, we have the EMA of 21, 50, 100, and 200. Okay. So let's first start off by taking the levels and seeing where we can figure out the overall market is going to go. Now, obviously, have that risk management, see where, certain levels is going to bounce off from it. And I truly believe it's going to bounce off these certain levels. Can we expect to make a large move towards the downside and temporarily make a lot of money? Absolutely. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And again, you guys, you can only get this at literally Team Bodo's Training Academy. If you don't have a coach like myself teaching you, showing you exact entries and exits of when to get in and get out, you are going to lose money. I'm telling you, because these key points is so crucial that you pay attention to these, because these could actually make you or break you, honestly. A lot of people lost money on Friday, and you shouldn't have lost money on Friday if you stuck with the plan and knew exactly when to enter. I ended up swinging my SPY puts from Thursday to Friday, making 300% into Friday market close. We cashed out nearly 500% in pure profits. Now, I'm expecting about between 1,500 to 2,500% in pure profits to collect this week just trading SPY. And SPX, of course. So for the bigger accounts, trade SPX. For the smaller accounts, trade SPY. So let's take a look. So weekly chart shows obviously an uptrend and being tested at this bottom near support of the actual trend, right? You got to see the actual trend of where it's going. So we trended it on the weekly. Now we're going to go to the daily, kind of move it in closer just in case we miss those points. You guys, it's so important, so important that you guys get these points exact, because that's where the market literally tests at. Just be patient. Trust me. It's going to test at these points. So it obviously tested the 50 on the daily, right? So it bounced right off the 50. Now we're heading down to the 100, right? EMA. We're heading down to the 100 EMA, and we're going to see if it actually it's going to test it. There's absolutely, it's going to test it. You can play like a nice bounce play, even calls on SPY temporarily in that moment, just right here off this trend line. Now, the reason why I say market trend lines, because we have point A, B, right, C, and D, right? We have 3 right hits that it tested right off of based off this trend line. Now, we figured out the trend line. Trend line's brought even closer on the daily, and we'll actually even bring this just a tad bit closer because we're going to see on the 5 or 15 minute, and actually I'm going to bring this a little bit closer in to like about right there, just so we're on the 15 minute and we can kind of see where we're being tested at. Now, on the 15 minute, obviously, we want to make sure everything is pretty damn near close to those trend lines. So right here, right, we can bring it out just a tad bit more, bring it in closer on the hourly, move it to the 15 minute. Now, we are going to test this area 455. This is going to be an area on Monday that we possibly get down to. It's going to bounce, have a slight bounce, then fall. But you guys, most importantly, look at where the volume is at. Like this is insane. We have a week of volume of red. This red candle is going to indicate for a bigger drop in the stock market. Trust me when I say this, right? We have a bigger red candle previously. This green candle, right, cannot outtake the sellers, right? Right here. It couldn't outtake it. So this following week, this past week, it literally exploded past this green candle volume, right? We're going to be heading down, baby. You're going to be able to take $200, $300, $500, and I'm not exaggerating, into $5,000 to $10,000. You guys, I'm talking about nearly 1,000% in profits. I'm not going to be surprised if futures open up at 4,500, right? Even 45, 44. Like I really would not be surprised, because these levels, you guys, these levels are being tested hard. We take it on the 4 hour. This looks disgusting. Looks like we're going down to the ground. Trust me when I say this, right? I wouldn't be surprised if we honestly opened up down here. I would not be shocked at this bottom near support. And you guys, this is just a support that I say because that's like the next level of support, right? Boom. If we open up down here, you guys, we are going to hell. We are going to drown. The market is going to drown in its miseries. You're going to be missing out on these potential huge moves because you couldn't have the proper education and the confidence to get into a position like this. So that's why I'm here, to teach you and show you. I'm literally showing you guys exactly what I really honestly do in my course, what I preach in my course, and show my members and students, how I actually chart out certain stocks in my mentorship program. And again, if you guys are interested, be sure to take advantage of my 40% discount that I got going on for a Christmas special right now. For the holidays coming up, I'm going to be having about 40 to 50% off on my lifetime package, you guys. And I'm going to be bringing the prices down from my monthly subscription alerts from $75 to $50 a month, you guys. So definitely take advantage. Click that link in that bio, you guys. I'm telling you, you're not going to regret it. Joining this week is going to make you a lot of money. Even if you join for a week, you're going to make your money back. And, if you decide to get on with my mentorship package, you'll learn my techniques and how I actually properly trade in the stock market, where I'm able to cash out between 500 to 2,000% in pure profits on certain stocks. So, getting back into it, you guys, market is going to hell, okay? We are due for a big pullback. Look, we tested here. And this is one way you can actually see and understand how the market works, is when we test a lot of times for that bigger price range, right? Just making sure we're on the daily. That bigger price range, right? We come back. What we do a lot of times is We're going to test, right, the near high that we had up here at 47, right, 47.40. Come back, maybe break it slightly, then we're just going to come down, right? So it's called a double top. I truly believe this is the top before a big correction down to the 4,300. We can see 4,300 for sure, but put it into basic analysis is going to be on SPY. I'm going to show you guys based off SPY because some of you guys, may not understand what ES is. That's futures, and it really correlates to the S&P 500. And if you really want to take it crazy, look at the NASDAQ. I think it's NDX. I can't even trade that. It's like big, huge ballers that are freaking trading this, market. So we're going to stick to SPY. And you guys, contracts are dirt cheap. Couple $100, churn into $2,000, $3,000. This is your chance to make a lot of money. So let's, listen up and, write this shit down because I'm telling you, you can make a lot of money doing this. A lot of money. So we're going to test this area, most likely Monday, 455. We're going to break down. Pay close attention. We could see a nice movement to the 450 level. Okay, 450. Yes, and you guys, I'm not exaggerating. We're going to see a movement down. If we see 450, we're going to see 445. Okay, 445 right here. Then we're going to see, this near level of the 432. 432, I do believe it's going to bounce really hard. It's going to bounce off this 100 EMA regardless. It's going to bounce because it's a crucial level of support. And again, considering how the market is reacting, we got a double top, 1, 2 up here, and it's coming down. Okay. We broke this wedge. This is so big right here. We broke this wedge right here, and we're currently sitting underneath the wedge. You guys, the bounces are going to be crucial this week, and I'm going to be calling it out in my group no matter what. I always have bounces, in rejection areas of where we can play, puts or calls on either side of the direction of the market. So we're going to take our fib level line. We're going to mark it, baby, and we are going to see some crazy freaking gains right here from the 100% level. We got, and then we take it to the smaller time frame right here, you guys. This is big. Look, and again, I just drew this in just to show you guys. It tested right here on the Fibonacci level line. Boom, bounced. We came up and then back down, consolidated, and finished off the day kind of in a consolidation phase. I truly believe Monday is going to be a drown day. It's going to pop. Okay? Now, don't be scared. You buy on the pops, the bounces, you guys. Where is money made, right? The money is made on the bounces and the dips, right? You buy the dips and the bounces, right? Rejection areas. So it's going to test this level, 461. If futures open up above this level, it's going to bounce and it's going to come down, drowning, okay? So considering that we are holding above this fib line, it's a crucial level of support. Makes sense. The 50 and the 61. So if we're going to see a bounce, don't be scared. We might come up to 464. Then we're going to come down to hell. Okay. If futures open below 461, we're going to come down probably to this 458. During the after hours, test it, come back up, 461. And if we consolidate coming in here in the pre-market, we're going to look for a nice rejection off this 461 for a bigger drown, okay? And so on and so forth. Okay, 454. Then we got 449. That's going to be a crucial level of support, which I do believe we tested. When did we test this? I think we tested it a while ago, like about a week ago or some time ago. So, guys, super easy way to play the market. We can make some crazy amount of money. And again, if you guys want my exact entries when I get in, right, where you guys can actually make the most benefit from and buying those rejection areas and bounce plays, click that link in the bio, join the monthly subscription alerts. Guys, it's only $50 a month. you're going to make your money back your first day. I guarantee you're probably going to make your money back. Again, if you're responsible, you don't go full send and full portfolio on your account. And I've done it before. Trust me, I've done it. I've lost money doing that. And if you have proper risk management, in which I literally teach you in my lifetime membership package, my lifetime program, it literally teaches you how to successfully trade. I mean, I have members that are literally, their success rating is between 80 to 90%. And that's what I hold. I hold about an 87% win rate accuracy. Guys, in the stock market, I'm one of the highest conviction traders out there that makes people money, you guys. So if you're interested, let's freaking roll, baby. Click that link in the bio again and again. You guys, let's freaking have a green week. And I will see you guys on Monday morning, baby. Peace.